Okay, so this is a little trick that I figured out about multiplying two-digit numbers that are between 11 and 19. For example, 15 times 13. It's been a while since I've written on a whiteboard, but yeah. Just to picture it, let's just put the biggest one on top. And we would be doing this. Right? That's how we'd normally set up, and then we'd multiply through. But for now, I'm just going to forget about this 1. So I'm just going to be dealing with 15 and 3. So I'm going to add the 3 to the 15 to get 18. Multiply it by 10. Or just add a 0 at the end. 180. Then,
I'm pretty sure 18 does not equal 180.
5 times 3. That is 3. And so obviously that's 15. So then the sum, or the product is going to be 195.
Check it.
Check it.
15 plus 3 equals 195.
Do you want me to?
We have confirmation it works.
Use arrows. There you go.
All right. There we go. Arrows work better.
This one's right. And if actually someone's that one, but okay.
All right. Fine.
Okay, dope.
Okay, so checking. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Then placeholder 15. Add 5. 9, 1. It works.
What?
Hard way to do that.
Witchcraft.
Now
I know a different way.
I will show you what type of Ouija board I use to do this. No, okay.
Show us, master.
This is how it works. Let's see here. So, in order to sort of like use actual variables in this to do it, I want to have the ones digits of each of them separated from the tens digit of each of them.
Okay.
So what I did was, I called 15, or well, I'll just say this is, it's going to be 10 plus A. Because A would be the ones digit, and then A plus 10, you know, if 5 was A, it would be 15. And then I'm going to call it 10 plus A times 10 plus B.
We're going to foil
So
this
that'll work.
plan.
Alright, so now that I know that this is how it is, I'm going to go through first my my steps in the shortcut with this sort of formatting. So I'm going to do 10 plus A plus B, right? Then that times 10, because I did 18 times 10.
Right, you added the 0.
So I added a 0. Then I'm going to add A times B, adding the 15 at the end.
Okay.
Right?
My parents didn't start the tutoring thing.
Now, now I'm going to start. I'm trying to figure out how to word this. I'm going to multiply that out. I'm going to expand that from factored form. I feel like that should be bigger.
So I just told my parents we have a meeting Tuesday, so yeah. I'm like, well.
Generic rectangle, not to be confused with the not to be confused with the brand name rectangle.
Okay, so 10 times 10 is 100. Don't question right now. Then 10 times A is 10A.
Oh, that's original.
10 times B is 10B.
Okay.
Then A times B is AB.
Oh, alright. Fair enough.
So if I wrote that out in expanded form, it would be 100 plus 10A plus 10B plus AB. Now, now I'm going to make this equal to that. So I'm going to distribute. So it's going to be, oh, what do you know? 10 times 10, 100 plus 10 times A, 10A plus 10 times B, 10B plus AB.
That's pretty BA.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And that is how that little shortcut works.
I like how he writes his B's.
What?
Just the way you write the B. It's awesome.
What that? I just
Yeah.
knew it. What do other people do?
Down. Let go. Up.
Then start from the top. Why would you lift your pencil up? Here's the other side. This is one of my pet peeves. All right. Here we're gonna go. This is a little rabbit trail. People who write their S's from the top, I think, are ridiculous. That means I hate 99% of the population.
Okay, I'll leave.
So if I'm writing a word with an S, now I can't think of a word with an S.
Sassafras.
No.
Can't even spell that, Russ.
Like, okay, I'm going to write.
Sarsaparilla.
I
Marshmallow.
love that.
Yes, let's talk about handwriting analysis, Camden.
Love summer. All right. Now.
You just double cross the M.
Now, if I were to go straight from here to there, that distance is greater than this distance. If I start my S's from the bottom,
Depends on how you write it.
it's faster.
Okay, draw a triangle so we can pretend this is about Pythagorean theorem.
Since that is close to a right angle, but technically not. If we wanted to really get into this, here's say the left side of the S. All right, and that would be a right angle if I can make a square. This is clearly shorter than that because this is only a part of the leg of the right triangle, whereas this is the whole hypotenuse. So therefore, it's quicker to write your S's from the bottom instead of from the top.
Fair enough.
And that's one thing I refuse to change about my
Which is why you do the double repeat on the M's. I see the loop in there.
Okay. Yes, that's all I had for that. Yeah, I could do a little synthetic division presentation if you guys want. All right.